Formulae and Functions. Excel 2016 is an application software that helps us to perform calculations either using formulae or functions. Let's learn more about it. Introduction. You have learnt different formulae in mathematics. In the similar way, Excel also has different formulae. They are user-defined instructions to perform calculations. A formula in Excel begins with an equal to sign. The data in a formula consists of any of the following: value, string or numeric, cell address, A1, B4 and so on. Functions, max, min, sum and more. Operators, plus, minus, multiply, divide and more. Parentheses. Operators in Excel. Let's learn about some operators used in Excel. Arithmetic operators. The arithmetic operators perform calculations only with numeric values. Operator. Meaning. Example: plus, addition, minus, subtraction, into, multiplication, divide, division, caret, exponentiation, percentage, percentage. Relational operators. The relational operators are used to compare two values. They give the result in true or false. Operator. Meaning. Example: equal to, 4 equal to 4. Less than, 10 is less than 50. Greater than, 50 is greater than 5. Not equal to, 10 is not equal to 5. Greater than or equal to, 10 is greater than or equal to 5. Less than or equal to, 5 is less than or equal to 9. Logical operators. The logical operators are used to compare two or more relational expressions. They also give the result in true or false. Logical operators: and, or, not. Working with basic formula. The basic formula use only one type of operator. Follow these steps to use basic formula. 1. Enter data as shown in the screenshot. 2. Click on the cell B7 where the result will be displayed and type is equal to sign. 3. Click on the cell B1. A dashed border appears around it. 4. The address of cell B1 appears in cell B7 and also in the formulae bar. 5. Type plus symbol. 6. Repeat the steps till B6, or you can type equal to B1 plus B2 plus B3 plus B4 plus B5 plus B6 in cell B7. 7. Press the Enter key. Cell B7 displays the sum of all the values. Using compound formula. Compound formula requires more than one operator to perform calculations. Here, we will be using compound formula of simple interest, which is P into R into T by 100. Follow these steps to enter a compound formula. 1. Enter the data as shown in the screenshot. 2. Click on the cell B5 and type equal to sign. 3. Click on the cell B2. The cell address of B2 appears in cell B5 as well as in the formula bar. 4. Type the symbol star in B5 and click on the cell B3. 5. Type the symbol star in B5 and click on the cell B4. Now type the symbol slash followed by 100 in the cell B5. 6. Press the enter key. The cell B5 displays the calculated simple interest. You will see the compound formula in the formula bar. Error results. You might get errors while performing calculations. Following are some common error results displayed. Hashtag N by A. Data is not available. Hashtag value. The formula contains an invalid operation. Hashtag div by 0. Division by 0 is being performed. Hashtag 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 hashtag. The column is not enough to display the number. Hashtag name question mark. The Excel does not recognize the text in a formula. Types of cell references. Each cell has an address denoted by the column letter and row number. There are 3 types of cell referencing in Excel. Let's learn about them. Relative reference. In relative reference, the formula in the copied cell changes according to the change in the position of the cell pointer. For example, if the formula in A3 is equal to A1 plus A2 and you copy the same formula to B3, then Excel automatically changes the cell address in the formula. Follow these steps to use relative reference. 1. Select cell A3 and write the formula as equal to A1 plus A2. 2. Click on the copy button in the clipboard group of the Home tab. 3. Now select cell B3 and click on the paste button. Observe that in cell B3, the cell address automatically changes from A1 plus A2 to B1 plus B2. Absolute reference. An absolute reference is specified using the $sign along with the column and row number of the cell. For example, $8, $4 is an absolute reference. The purpose of $sign is fixed to a specific location. This type of referencing is used when we do not want to change the address of the cell while copying the formula to another cell. Follow these steps to use absolute reference. 1. Enter the data. 2. In cell D2, type the formula equal to $B, $2, star 2. 3. Now copy the formula by dragging the mouse pointer to other cells. Mixed reference. Mixed reference is a combination of relative reference and absolute reference. In this type, either the row or column has to remain fixed. $B4 is an example of mixed reference. Follow these steps to use mixed reference. 1. Enter the data. 2. Click on cell D2 and type equal to $B2 star C$2. Press the enter key. 3. Now copy by dragging the mouse pointer to other cells. Using functions. Functions are the predefined commands that act on a cell or a range of cells and perform calculations. The function consists of 2 parts, the function name and the arguments. The arguments are included within the round brackets. Rules for using a function. Following rules should be followed while using a function. A function must begin with an equal to sign. A function name must be a valid name. Sum and average are some examples. A function name must be followed by opening and closing parentheses. Arguments should be enclosed in the parentheses. Commonly used functions. Let's learn about some commonly used functions. AutoSum. The AutoSum option is used to perform different functions like average, count, max and min. To get AutoSum, click on the AutoSum button in the Function Library group on the Formulas tab. Sum. The sum function returns the sum total of the range values. Follow these steps to use the sum function. 1. Click on cell A7 where you want to enter the sum. 2. Click on the AutoSum option in the Editing group of the Home tab. 3. Select the Sum option from the drop-down list. 4. A dashed border appears around A1 to A6 and Excel automatically enters the formula in cell A7. Now press the Enter key to get the result. Average. The average function returns the average of the range value. Follow these steps to use the average function. 1. Click on the cell A7 where you want to display the average of values. 2. Click on the AutoSum option in the Editing group of the Home tab. 3. Select the average function from the drop-down list. 4. A dashed border appears around A1 to A6 and Excel automatically enters the formula in A7. Press the Enter key to get the result. Max. The max function returns the largest value in the given range. Follow these steps to use the max function. 1. Click on the cell A7 where you want to display the result. 2. Click on the AutoSum option in the Editing group of the Home tab. 3. Select the Max option from the drop-down list. 4. A dashed border appears around A1 to A6 and Excel automatically enters the formula in A7. Now press the Enter key to get the result. Min. The min function returns the smallest value in the given range. Follow these steps to use the min function. 1. Click on the cell A7 where you want to display the result. 2. Click on the AutoSum option in the Editing group of the Home tab. 3. Select the min function from the drop-down list. 4. A dashed border appears around A1 to A6 and Excel automatically enters the formula in A7. Now press the Enter key to get the result. Function Library. Excel provides all its functions in the Function Library group of the Formulas tab. Excel includes the functions like math and trig, text and data and time. Let's discuss the two most common functions in the math and trig category. Least common multiple, LCM. LCM function returns the least common multiple of integers. Follow these steps to use the LCM function. 1. Enter 4 numbers in cells A1, A2, A3, A4. 2. Click on the cell A5 where LCM of all the numbers will be displayed. 3. Click on the Math and Trig function on the Function Library group of the Formulas tab. 4. Choose the LCM function from the drop-down list. 5. The function arguments dialog box appears. Type the cell address in the respective text boxes. 6. Click on the OK button. The result appears in cell A5, Greatest Common Divisor, GCD. GCD function calculates the greatest common divisor of two or more integers. Follow these steps to use the GCD function. 1. Enter 4 numbers in the cells A1, A2, A3 and A4. 2. Click on the cell A5 where GCD of all the numbers will be displayed. 3. Click on the Math and Trig function of the function library group of the Formulas tab. 4. Choose the GCD function from the drop-down list. 5. The function arguments dialog box appears. Type the cell address in the respective text boxes. 6. Click on the OK button. The result appears in the cell A5. If function. If function is a conditional function that gives result either in true or false. Syntax equal to if condition, value if true, value if false. The if function returns the first value if the condition specified evaluates to true and second value if the condition evaluates to false. Follow these steps to use if function. 1. Enter the two numbers in cells A1 and A2. 2. In cell 3, type equal to if A is greater than A2, 110, 50. Press the Enter key.